Understanding Stony Coral, a dive into marine vocabulary. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to uncover the meaning behind the term stony coral. This phrase may not be commonly used in everyday conversation, but it's a fascinating part of the English language, especially if you're interested in marine life or nature. Stony corals, also known as hard corals, are marine animals that are pivotal to coral reefs. They are called stony because they extract calcium carbonate from seawater to create a hard, durable exoskeleton that protects their soft, sac-like bodies. These structures, over time, accumulate, forming the coral reefs that are essential to ocean ecosystems. Stony corals are not just marine structures. They are living organisms that play a crucial role in the marine ecosystem. They provide habitat for thousands of different species of fish and marine life. Beyond that, they also protect coastlines from erosion and are a source of tourism and recreation for humans. Now let's put our term into practice. You can say, "The diver admired the stony corals beneath the waves," or "Scientists study stony corals to understand more about marine biodiversity." I hope this video has given you a clear understanding of what stony corals are and why they matter. Remember, learning English is not just about words, but also about the world around us. Keep exploring, and you'll find that language learning is an adventure in itself. See you next time.